Hello, lovely housewives. Welcome to Housewife Chronicles. I'm your host, Nancy, and on this channel, I'm going to be sharing a few tips and tricks on fixing, cleaning, and doing wifey things around the house. Let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you how to maintain your vacuum cleaner for its best performance. If you have a different vacuum, follow the instructions provided in your vacuum's manual.
Manuel, relay instructions. Manuel.
Okay, we're going to remove all the screws right here. It does show, has a picture of the screw. And we're going to remove those, remove the hair, and clean it up. You're going to pop this right out. Don't be scared to just pull it off. It won't break. I do have to mention that I've had this vacuum for over 3 years now. As long as you keep up with your vacuum, it should last you a while. I'm gonna soak the parts in the kitchen sink. I did added some bleach and soap, and I'm just gonna let it soak for a little bit. I'm gonna remove the trash bin and wash that as well. So I noticed that I have no filter in my vacuum. I must have washed it and probably forgot about it. But I did order one on Amazon. I'll be posting the link down below. It's important to ensure that your vacuum is completely dry before using it. Unfortunately, I was impatient and used it immediately after cleaning, despite drying it with paper towels. As a result, it became muddy and the mud hardened, but the hot water did remove most of the dry mud. Once you put your vacuum out in the sun, make sure you go back out a few times and shake the hose, since that takes longer to dry. Let's put the vacuum back together. That's it for today. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.